the safety of those around you, please remain in your seat with your seatbelt firmly fastened until the captain switches off the seatbelt sign. Take care when opening overhead lockers as bags may have moved during the flight. Once the seatbelt sign is off, you'll be leaving through the forward door. We recommend that you use the handrail to assist you down the stairs and safely onto the tarmac. Before you leave, please remember to check your seat and seat pocket for any personal items.
I know.
Smoking is not permitted while disembarking and throughout the airport. On behalf of Qantas and the team today, welcome to Sydney and thank you for flying with us. We hope that you've enjoyed your flight and we look forward to seeing you all again soon. Thank you and good morning.
Oh.